Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm sharing with you a happy mail I am sending off. This is the pocket letter. It is a pocket letter swap. I have a process video on this, and I just wanted to show you what I've put in the back. So these pockets have all this fun confetti, glitter, sparkle sequins. If someone wanted to, they could trim this off and take the sequin mix out, or they could leave it in. I like to leave my pocket letters and put them in a binder, which is why I often leave the strip on the side blank, because I put mine in binders. So I've put some lemon ginger tea and some flowers on the other side. I have this lovely wooden friend embellishment and some glitter dots, which is something I use on every project. I always add a little bit of bling. And there's also a Studio Calico stamp that says "Be Happy." And I really love working with word stamps, and I know my recipient has stamps because I've watched her videos. I'll link her information down below for her channel, and I'll also link once I've received my gift from her. So I've created these rosettes, and you would have seen my video on this already. And here's how I've packaged them up, and I'm sending them off to her so that she can enjoy some of those. And then I've also created this card for her. This is who the card was for, and this is where I'm going to write my little note to her. And I've shown her how I've used one of the rosettes here. You can see I went in again and I added a little tie on there just because I wanted to hide some of the glue that was underneath there, and it actually ties nice in with the blue. There's little bits of blue, and I like the triplicate of the rule of threes, so you can see I have the rule of threes here and the rule of threes there. So you'll often find that I use things in threes. I've also done up a cute little bag for her. So simple, just took a fun little bag. This was from Target, and I've put one of the die cuts with a flower and a bow, and then I've tucked inside a fun glow mask. Now this is from Bath and Body Works, and it's lemon. I don't believe that there is Bath and Body Works in the US. I think it's a Canadian company. But so that's in there for her. And then finally I've got this "Believe in Magic. A true princess is always kind and giving." And inside there are some fun flags from October afternoon with little pics and the instructions on how to put them together. So those are really cute, and they fit nicely in here. Now in Canada, we can send flat mail, like letter mail, if you keep it within certain weight and thickness. So that's what I've done here by adding all these little goodies into the envelope. So I hope that she enjoys this. Once I have my video, I will film what I received from her, and again, I'll link all of her information below. And one last thing, I'm just going to show you how I packaged my card. I put it in this large clear envelope with some sequins and confetti in there. I've stamped "Create with Tony" on the back of the card. I've included my little business card in there as well. And so it's a fun little mix that she can keep for herself, as well as it really adds to the fun of the total package. Thanks again. See you again next time. Bye.